This is a room tour of room 1022 at the Horseshoe in Lake Charles. Now this hotel casino is brand new pretty much. It opened in December 22, I think it was the 12th. Hence the fact that everything smells very new. So the bathroom is on the left here. Nice walk-in shower. I mean, as you'd expect, immaculate. I mean, they are still doing an awful lot of building here, which I was quite surprised about, bearing in mind it's been open 6 months. I mean, we arrived and the valet parking is not working because they're sort of redoing the front of the casino for some reason. So we parked at the back of the hotel in the parking garage, and in effect they told us that we couldn't take our bags through the casino to get to a reception, so we had to do a long walk hiking all of our stuff. So it wasn't greatly handled, if I'm honest. I mean, literally they won't let you go through reception at all. Sorry, go through the casino at all with any bags. It seems really odd because obviously in Vegas everyone does it. Anyway, that door obviously doubles up as a privacy door for the bathroom. We are basically next to that bridge, so that's just wall decoration of what is basically to the left of this building. Bed looks super comfy. Decent sized TV. Your safe is under there. Actually, there was a fridge just below. As you came in the door there was a fridge for your own stuff. There's no mini bar in here. And a seating area here. I mean, it's just brand spanking new. Pretty simple room, but brand spanking new. And you've got, so that's the bridge there, that side, which you've seen on the wall there. And there is Lake Charles. Now there are a number of casinos around here, I understand. There's a Golden Nugget for sure. I can't think of what other ones. Most of them are old riverboat casinos, I think, as I've mentioned in my vlogs. This one obviously isn't. This is on land. I'm not sure whether I'll get to have a look at any of the other ones. We'll see. But the casino looks nice. It's fairly simply laid out. I'm not sure, again, I'll be able to do a tour because it looks like you'd be stopped pretty quickly. It also looks potentially that they might stop me filming, but I don't know, we'll see. But anyway, so that's the Horseshoe in Lake Charles. I'm about to have my late afternoon nap, and I will see you in the regular vlog for a bit of gambling a bit later. Take care.